Today I'm going to be going over how to install a cabin air filter in this 2025 Subaru Outback. This is a 6th generation Subaru Outback. This generation started from 2020 till now, which is 2025. And we'll see if there's a new Outback next year. So our cabin air filter is behind this glove box. So let's jump in here. Once you get everything out, you shouldn't have any extra weight on this glove box. We have our little damper here, and this pulls off by pushing the knob and pulling this out. Once that's off, then we have a clip here and a clip here. I've seen some people just yank it to get it out, but I like to be a little more gentle. Then once you lower this to the right level, this pops out. These are D-shaped, so you have to lower it to the right spot and it pops right out. This reveals our cabin air filter, and they have these little tabs here. You have to squeeze, and that'll allow this to flip open. This is our air filter. Now, the one thing is they'll either say up or they'll say airflow. So if it says this side up, that means put the filter this side up. But if it says airflow, it gets a little confusing with aftermarket parts. So this side is up, but the airflow is actually pulling down. So if you get the marking airflow, or the marking for the airflow, it goes down. And one thing you can do just to keep your mind at ease is which side's the dirt on? If the dirt's on this side, that means the air is getting pulled through this way, and the direction of airflow is down on this model. So, and it's the same for the Impreza also, and the other models. Let's see. And one thing is you can just turn it on and feel where the airflow is on this. And I'm just doing this as an example, so I'm just going to throw this filter back in, but I'll put a link in the description for the new filter that fits this year, make, and model. That guy goes in here. Now when you're throwing this guy in, there's little slots that this fits into. See that guy right there? And another one over here. So you have to hook that and then pop in these clips. Yeah, this is hard to do with one hand. So yeah, there's a clip here and a clip here, so it slides up and then these pop into place here. Then we can put our glove box back in, and these hooks here and here hook into here. Yeah. So remember, it's D-shaped, so you have to get it right at the right level, and then it'll rotate easily up. Then we push past, that's our clip right here on the side. There's another one on this side that you can just push into place. Then we reconnect our little damper over here. And this is how most Subarus are. This is an Outback, but the Impreza is exactly the same, and I think most Subaru vehicles are exactly the same. So that's how you do the cabin air filter on a 6th generation Outback. If this was helpful, give a thumbs up. We'll talk to you next time.